Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on Question AI, which is the best study companion. You can ask anything and get answers for AI writing, AI search, translation, solve all subjects homework. Just scan and solve quick and accurate. Math, statistics, calculus, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, literature, business, social studies, and so much more. So just paste your question to get your answer. Now you can paste a picture. Here's a picture and do calculation for your math questions, whatever questions you have. Then it has a calculator. You can ask the AI and you can also check out the apps. It helps for question answering and homework helping. Alright. It has an AI powered answers for your questions and summarizer. Instantly solve all kinds of problems and summarizes all kinds of text and helps you to answer your questions with concise solution. It's a choice of more than 10 million users, a marvelous homework assistant. So why should we use Question AI over the rest? It's also called Homework AI. So for snapping and problem solving, 24-hour AI copilot, AI charts, summarizer, and the rest of them. So we have a lot of frequently asked questions. Like I said, it has so lot of questions, subjects on math, biology, history, social studies, English, business, and the rest of them. So you can ask for more if you want. So you can see the subjects, these are the subjects. And you can also go for a recent chart to do your chart. It works on iOS, Android, and has Chrome extension. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try.